Gestures, showing instead of telling. Animators have been called actors with a pencil. Like all actors, the gesture is what brings life to any performance. When it's time to begin animating your scene, watch for the cliche pit. It's that tendency to fall into the most obvious solution to the problem at hand by recycling a tried and true gesture that everyone will recognize from a previous film performance. The shoulder shrug, with the hands up, indicate "I don't know," and it's shorthand and so overused as to have become a cliche gesture. It works in that the audience immediately understands the gesture, but it adds nothing to our understanding of who the character is. Cliches work against this goal. The type of shot will inform the animator as to the possible gestures that can be explored. Close-ups tend to focus the attention on a discrete part of the character, usually the face, or the hands or the feet, whereas a medium shot may use the entire body as the mode of expression. Medium shot gestures present entirely different visual opportunities from close-up shot gestures. Acquire reference. Whether you shoot live-action reference using actors or yourself, or even acting it out in front of a mirror to get it into your body, reference will greatly improve your outcome. Knowing your character and the present challenges they are facing can guide you in making credible choices about how they are responding to their circumstances. And gestures are the visual language that your character uses to speak to the audience by showing them rather than telling them.